Hello everybody. We're currently in a pickle. We have Dandy. No! Astro, what are you doing? Astro. Oh my god! No, go away. Oh my days! Astro, what were you thinking? Oh my days. Okay, go. Get away. Get away. Oh my days. Imagine if Finn was here. Okay, I got this. I don't got this. The four twisted is literally Dandy, Shelly, and Astro, and the one boxed in that's just getting carried. Like, just if there's Dandy, mercy, okay, mercy, please. Go. No! Get away! I've never been in this much of a pickle ever before. Because I'm not a pro. I'm not built like that. Astro, if you come anywhere near me, I will karate chop you. Like, I will karate chop. There goes another one. There goes another one. Wow. This is so much. Stop narrating that in chat. Stop. Okay, we got Shelly and Dandy. Oh my days. Get away. Oh my days. We gotta boot it out of here, boy. Gotta boot it out of here. They're all teaming on this one machine. Oh my gosh. I just want me. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Last one's in the middle. Why does it have to be in the middle? Why? Just why? Why does it all have to be in the middle, bro? Like, anywhere but there. Dang, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No! Get away! Boxton! You're gonna do more damage than all the others combined. Go. Okay, I'll do last. Oh my geez. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my days, yes, oh